Oh, hi there, everyone. It's your Jamaican girl, Norlene. Today, I will be preparing my favorite vegan meal for you, Jamaican style. I invite you to like my video, comment, share my channel with your friends, and invite them to subscribe. Thank you so much. Welcome to my kitchen. All right, family and friends, let's get cooking. So I'm using veggie chunks. I'm using the unflavored one. So the first step is to rehydrate your veggie chunks. And I'm going to add to that some hot water, guys, and allow it to soak for about 2 hours. This is what it should look like when it is ready. Next, family and friends, to 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. I'm going to add my veggie chunks, guys. I'm going to stir this in, allow my coconut oil to flavor it right through. Now, if you like veggie chunks, just let me know how you prepare your veggie chunks in the comment section. My spiritual nugget today is inspired by Joshua 24 verse 15. I invite you to be intentional about your choices. The ones that you've made already, they are behind you. But be careful for those that you will make today and in the future. Ask God to guide you so that you will make the right choices. All right, family and friends, so let's get back into the cooking. So in a deep Dutch pot, in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, I've added some garlic, some onions, I've added some carrots, and of course my okra. Stir this all in to be flavored. Next, I add to that some tomatoes, and I add to this my baked beans. If you don't have any baked bean, guys, you can use any bean in tomato sauce. It will work perfectly. Next, guys, I'm gonna add to that some vegetable broth. I simply use my cock soup, add some water to that, and then I use it for my broth. Now, guys, I'm gonna add to that some salt and pepper to taste. Cover, guys, and allow this to cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. Now, after 3 to 5 minutes, this is what it looks like. It is so flavorful, guys, and if only you could smell the aroma in the kitchen. Next, family and friends, I add to that my veggie chunks. I add to that some spring onions. I've added to that some bell peppers and some fresh onion, guys. I'm gonna add to that all my seasoning. Now, whatever season you so desire, it is up to you. Add to that a sprig of thyme, guys, and just allow this to simmer down. This is so awesome. It was my absolute pleasure doing this meal for you. It's once again another of my mother's favorite, from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. Family and friends, this is an awesome, delicious, divine vegan meal. I am sure that you will try it next time you are in your kitchen. Thank you so much for spending the time in the kitchen with me, and I'll see you next week. Love, 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 mwah, love you. I'll see you next week. Remember to like, to share, subscribe, turn on your post notification, and of course, share your comments in the comment section. See you next week.